Xin chào everybody, welcome back. You're watching Vietnam Steve. I've got a good one for you today. Today I'm cooking some food. I've actually cooked this little fella here called Pancakes. It's tasty little morsel all wrapped up in banana leaves. I'll show you the way we cook that. I'll unwrap it. I'll have a taste test. And there's another one for all the foodies out there. So these little morsels get steamed in here for about 20 minutes. I've pulled one out. I've got it on the plate. Let's unwrap it and see what's inside. I took a bit of time getting the wrapping off, and I'm going to do this one-handed, so this might be a bit tricky, but needless to say, I'm having two of these today. I'm on storm watch, and I'm just going to lift that up and roll it out. So there we go. There's one leaf done. This is what's actually inside. Lovely porky goodness inside a tapioca type flour base. Going to pause here, get it on the plate, cover it up with chili sauce, of course. Right. And have a taste. The shambles here, but this is the two or not sauce I like to put out. I'm going to put it all over this fella because I actually like it. That's probably a bit too much. I've gone crazy because you guys are watching. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this. It's got a firmer consistency than the bangzor, but similar sort of a taste. So porky goodness going in my mouth now. Very, very nice. I'll give that one, the Vietnam Steve, 5-star seal of approval. Bang Tia, can guarantee that's a good one for breakfast. Thanks for joining. Stay frosty. Like the channel, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe. That's the only way I know you get access to the latest entertainment.